Okay, hello, my name is Mepega Arnold from Uganda, Kampala, and we did a project on Legal Aid Uganda. Legal is anything, I should say anything related to law. Aid is any kind of help or assistance, and according to Wikipedia, legal aid is provision of assistance to people who are unable to afford legal representation, and that is majorly what our project is about. These are the team members. We have David and Susan, are both lawyers, and me, Arnold, I'm a programmer. The source code for our project is available on GitLab on this repository, and you can also find us on our website. Yeah, and let me just click on it here and take you. The website basically it has more information about our project. Yes, this is the website. So you can click the link and you go and check it out. So let me move right into our project. The problem statement of our project Legal Aid. Access to justice continues to be a problem for millions in Uganda, and it's mainly due to ignorance of the law, mainly due to ignorance about the law and minimum access to legal services, and leads to problems remaining unresolved or resolved using wrong methods like mob justice. And not to forget, Uganda is one of the poorest countries in the world, with majority of Ugandans struggling to survive, provide the basic necessities for their family amidst the narrowing access to justice. And the legal system of Uganda recognizes legal aid as a human right. However, this is not strategically realized by government interventions, and mainly civil society organizations that utilize donor funds to provide legal aid services. There are three key drivers to legal aid, and first one is lack of harmonized legal and policy framework. The second is limited coordination and networking among public and non-state actors to improve standards, access, share, and implement best practices. And third is increasing cases of right abuses against the vulnerable populations and restriction of funding by both public and donor agencies. So, as legal aid, our main focus is on this last point number 3, where we aim extending legal services to the vulnerable population so justice is served to all people in society irrespective of their background. Like we're saying, a poor Ugandan is made poorer when his land is grabbed, inheritance stolen, or a husband abandons a wife with no maintenance for their children. So there's a need to act now, which is what we are proposing. So that's the way forward. We're saying Uganda, like many other parts of Africa, has seen a rapid growth in technology, and we intend to use this trend to extend legal services to everybody. We can use innovative and technological solutions to reach out to a big number of people that provide them the right of legal aid at very minimal costs or no cost at all. And majorly, we also want to encourage alternative dispute resolutions, also known as ADRs, in society, because they are way much cheaper than going to court, and you still get the legal services that you need. However, well, there's still a challenge that there's a vast amount of population in Uganda who are unreachable by technologies. So our team is dedicated to move the extra mile and sensitize those masses about their legal rights so as to avoid legal problems and injustices. So our mission here at Legal Aid is to provide basic legal knowledge to the vulnerable people in Uganda and sensitize them about their rights. Where I have 3 main values, that is justice, equality, and human rights for all. So the objective of this project, we're going to gather the necessary requirements, design, develop, and implement a system which will provide a platform that effectively and efficiently offers legal services to vulnerable people of Uganda, as well as sensitize them. Okay, we've come to the end of our presentation, and we'd like to send special appreciation to Blue Code for organizing this hackathon. The hackathon is Afrihack Post-Pandemic Hackathon for Africa. And on our team, I didn't mention this too earlier on, but they've been very helpful to us. We have Sam Birara, who's coordinator from Group Code, and Jero Odur was our mentor throughout the hackathon. Yes, thank you for listening. That brings us to the end of our presentation.